about to witness industrial machines that shock the world. These machines don't just break limits, they erase them entirely. Check out the Alcon EC 6000 series, a powerhouse combo machine that trims and lines in one go. This giant rig features a bucket chain trimmer and pivot liner, allowing it to dig and pave simultaneously. It's perfect for high-precision, high-volume channel lining, minimizing concrete waste while continuously lining canals and riverbeds. With its diesel-electric power system, it delivers unmatched accuracy compared to standard excavators. Have you ever wondered how lawn care could become a true art form? The JCB Fastrac 4220 mower, paired with a 16-meter V-mode and 23 gang mowers at Teal turf fields, shows exactly how it's done. With a 235 horsepower engine and top speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, this machine transforms even the largest fields into flawless green carpets. Its massive 52-foot mowing reach allows it to cover vast areas in a single pass. The result? A picture-perfect lawn. Looking to restore your ditch to its original clean state? Meet the Hemos 450, your ultimate ditch cleaning hero. This impressive machine operates like magic, clearing out built-up dirt and debris with ease. Say goodbye to exhausting manual labor and hello to efficient, hassle-free cleaning. With the Hemos 450, your drainage channels will sparkle, leaving you with clean results and peace of mind. The Ventrac SSV sidewalk snow vehicle is a compact, tough machine made for clearing sidewalks during winter storms. Built for traction and durability, it handles snow and ice with ease. Its modular design supports attachments for plowing, blowing, and de-icing, making it a winter essential for municipalities. When you need a mower that tackles any challenge, the Twiga T80 from Spearhead's contractor profile is the partner you can count on. Built for performance in fields and along roadsides, this machine turns overgrown areas into clean, trimmed landscapes. With an impressive 26-foot arm reach, the Twiga T80 handles even the hardest to reach spots, like a true aerial performer. No matter the conditions, it delivers strength and accuracy you can rely on. It's time to bring order and precision to your terrain. Leave it to the Twiga T80. This one-of-a-kind machine is a must-have addition to any fleet. The Extreme T880 is safe, versatile, and built to endure. Its unmatched features set a new standard in the stone spreading industry, helping you complete tasks more safely and efficiently than any other spreader available. Constructed with durable 54 aluminum plate, the Extreme combines impressive strength with a lightweight frame, delivering a smarter, high-performance design. It also includes a hydraulically operated material platform that raises and lowers with ease. When lowered, the overall height and center of gravity are significantly reduced compared to traditional spreaders, boosting stability and ease of use. The Ozzies module lifter is more than just solar panel installation gear, it's a gateway to precision and efficiency on every project. Its flexible hanging legs allow the vacuum cup to move up to 4 inches, giving you full control over panel placement. Combined with innovative fork design, it enables your crew to adjust angles and heights with remarkable accuracy. With a 325-pound payload and 360-degree passive rotation, the system handles install smoothly, even in extreme temperatures from -36 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring autonomous battery-powered operation and automatic gripping, the Ozzies module lifter ensures each panel is placed safely and flawlessly. The Slag Pot Taurus is a heavy-duty transport machine, built for use in steel mills. Its high-strength steel frame and heat-resistant lining allow it to handle molten slag and other extreme materials safely. With its rugged wheels and mobility, it efficiently moves loads through harsh industrial environments, making it essential for modern smelting operations. Introducing the Rosensteiner Kipp Top 2 Basic Hoof Care Stand, an advanced solution in veterinary and livestock care. This unit features a mechanical sliding head protection door that opens downward and adjusts to any head position, ensuring better access and safety. A hydraulically tensioned abdominal belt provides secure support, while centralized controls let the operator manage all functions with ease. Powered by a Bosch Rexroth hydraulic system and a 1.8 kilowatts electric motor, it delivers smooth, high-efficiency performance. The Kipp Top 2 Basic makes hoof care faster, safer, and less stressful for both animals and farmers. Meet the CAS 7, your new go-to solution for delivering materials to the most hard-to-reach spots. This smart off-road slinger features four-wheel drive and remote control, built to operate in conditions where standard vehicles can't compete. Compact enough to fit through just 12 feet of space, it handles tight areas without compromising performance. Powered by a strong 225 horsepower engine and capable of slinging materials up to 150 feet, the AT7 is set to transform how you handle tough jobs, making the impossible feel effortless. Watch the Scorpion S1100 tear through stumps with ease. This heavy-duty stump remover operates like a seasoned pro, yanking out the toughest roots without hesitation. Its robust hydraulics and durable build make it a must-have for both landscaping and construction. With the Scorpion S1100, manual digging becomes a thing of the past, leaving your site clean, clear, and ready for the next project. The CAT 9920 is a massive wheel loader built for quarrying, mining, and heavy construction. It features a high-lift design, powerful engine, and advanced safety systems like rear-view cameras and collision avoidance. It delivers top-tier performance in demanding environments. Explore a groundbreaking solution for tire maintenance with the Easy Gripper from AME International, showcased in this video. This 2-ton tool can manage massive tires and wheels up to 95 inches in diameter. Its specialized extensions ensure safe and efficient handling of off-road tires directly in the field. Compatible with a variety of material handling machines like front-end loaders, telehandlers, and cranes, it gives operators full control during alignment and replacement. Enhanced by a 3-point handle, infrared camera system, and quick-change module, the Easy Gripper reduces risk while boosting job site productivity. When the Komatsu D475 a bulldozer rolls onto a construction site with Almiron machinery equipment, it signals one thing: progress is about to accelerate. This titan of a bulldozer isn't just a machine, it's a true master of earth moving. With its immense power, reliability, and unmatched efficiency, mountains are leveled into hills, and hills into flat plains. The Komatsu D475A isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a promise that your project will be delivered on time and beyond expectations. Who would have thought vegetation shredding could be this quick and simple? Introducing the Berti Picker/F Mulcher, featuring up to 7 feet of working width and compatibility with tractors up to 120 horsepower. It transforms field residue into fine mulch with impressive speed and accuracy. Operating at up to 4 miles per hour, it clears orchards and vineyards with ease, leaving your land neat, clean, and ready for the next task. The Menzi Muck is a unique amphibious excavator, built for wetlands, rivers, and swampy areas. Its spider-like, mobile undercarriage adapts to rough or flooded terrain, while its long arm allows for precise digging in hard-to-reach environments. Picture the power of our nation's Farkli Tarim and Kirpy rock crusher at work. With a massive 600 horsepower engine and a 20-foot working width, this machine transforms rocky ground into fine, workable soil. Operating at up to 3 miles per hour, it takes on the most demanding terrain with ease, crushing stones up to 12 inches in diameter, and leaving a smooth surface ready for seeding. How do you bring down an old bridge? With the Epirock CB 7500 concrete breaker, it's simpler than you'd think. Just position it and fire it up. This mighty attachment makes what looks like an impossible job feel like a warm-up routine. It reduces even the toughest concrete structures to rubble in no time. Just watch as these giants effortlessly tear through the bridge, leaving only dust and memories behind. Introducing the Revolution Netmaster, your new go-to solution for net distribution. Designed for easy mounting on tractors, front loaders, or mini loaders, this efficient system features a hydraulic self-loading cam lock clamp for consistent net tension. Whether you're handling standard bales or tall deer fencing up to 75 inches, the dual-roll capacity boosts productivity. Finished with Revolution's signature sandblasted coating, it's built tough for long-lasting performance. The Berky Waterway cleaning machine is built to remove debris, plants, and pollutants from rivers, canals, and lakes. It uses specialized tools to clean both the surface and bottom of water bodies. This eco-friendly solution helps maintain water flow, prevent flooding, and improve overall environmental health. What a beast on tracks, meet the crawler monster. In a single pass, it clears the area of sticks, branches, and dense brush with ease. Nothing escapes its path, not even the toughest shrubs. With a 10-foot working width and 300 horsepower under the hood, it takes on heavy-duty jobs effortlessly. Its track design delivers superior traction, while sharp blades guarantee fast, clean results. What could be better for your vegetable garden than this ingenious watering system? With it, your plants will always receive the perfect amount of water. Say goodbye to drought stress and underwatering, your beds will stay well hydrated, leading to healthier, more abundant crops. The Volvo A45G is a dependable, heavy-duty articulated hauler, built for performance and reliability. This machine offers a real opportunity to boost profitability and hit production goals. Its exclusive full suspension system absorbs shocks, jolts, and vibrations, delivering a smooth, stable ride and a comfortable, safe environment for the operator. With a payload capacity of 41 tons, the A45G is perfectly suited for demanding jobs like earth moving, waste management, road building, and demolition. As the saying goes, seeing it once is better than hearing about it 10 times. And here's your chance. The planting process with Blue Heron machines is both captivating and out of the ordinary. What a roller coaster this turned out to be. Honestly, I wouldn't mind working in conditions like these. Would you dare to take the ride while still getting the job done?
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.